let's go back on the record.
But let me make something clear to you today.
Prosecutor's office.
What do you want to give me?
Jolie
Fair of you.
Possession of a shopping cart. Oh my God.
Is that a serious charge, you think? Is that a serious charge?
Heinous. Heinous.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen. Yeah, for sure. There's been like rumors flying that might get somebody.
Yes, is this the office of Patricia Southall?
They don't call me the second.
Yes.
I know who he is. I know Judge he was supposed to. Doing everything on my own, like just day to day.
Wonderful. I need your help. How, give me a second. See, how on earth do I get a way to put all doctors on notice that a person is pill milling and shopping for pills? Is there some kind of database that I can go to or some kind of way that I can put all doctors on notice that someone is shopping for pills? There has to be a way. Yes, of course. Take your time. There's no rush. James.
Yes, Judge?
Tell me.
So she said that she wouldn't be able to make any bond. She does have 6 children. She is currently unemployed and she's on SSI.
Yes. Well, okay, whoa. Say that again. I lost you.
No.
Texas Prescription Monitoring Program. So I can put the name on the website, or how does that work? Let me take a look too. I have this person here. That's what she's doing. And so I want to make sure that she's unable to ever get another Oxy script again. Texas Prescription. There we go. Me. That's okay. I'm here with you. collects and monitors outpatient prescription data for controlled substances dispensed by a pharmacy in Texas. Is a patient care tool that can be used to inform prescribing practice and to address prescription drug misuse, diversion, and overdose. Okay, you have been fantastic. I'm going to subscribe to this thing, and I'm going to put their name on it so that they are unable to get any more scripts like this again. No, you're doing great. I really, really appreciate your help, and I guess I'll figure it out from here. But you've really been great. Thank you so much. You too. Take care. Okay, James, I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
Oh, no problem, Judge.
So tell me, what are we going to do with Miss Stewart?
Well, it sounds like she can't make any bond you set. So unless you're inclined to give her another PR bond, I think she's going to be stuck in there.
Yeah. Is there something that we can,
The offer previously was a 2-year deferred. I don't know if that offer is from a very long time ago and from a different animal cruelty prosecutor that's no longer there. So I don't know if that offer would still be on the table.
let me get Pavel roped into this.
Sure. Maybe we can roll it to Monday and see what we can do. I believe it's Haley O'Brien is the new animal cruelty prosecutor.
Say that again, James? What?
Haley O'Brien is the new animal cruelty prosecutor, I believe.
Really?
Well, at least according to the the portal.
When you go before the judge, it's yes, sir, no, sir, and you're pleading guilty, okay?
Hi, Lori.
Hey, Judge, I have a plea on Mr. Musgrove. I need the state to write it up.
Lori has a plea.
Oh, okay. Do they need to bring them out?
I know, I think he needs to write it up. Where did Pavel go? Let me go find Pavel. I think he took off.
So they all brought this one up.
Sonia.
Mr. Robert's mother would like to speak with you.
Okay, who? Yeah, of course. Is it Miss Rooker? Miss Rooker? Thank you so much for coming. Wonderful. I'm glad that you're here.
The one that you're waiting on to go here.
I can't hear you. You need, yeah, right there, but speak louder, please.
I'm looking from childhood trauma. We're doing that. Is there like he was doing something different? Because he was standing there, he'll be there for all day. Waiting. Because we mentally
Well, they don't literally watch him there. They just stand behind him, you know? There's no blood test, is there? They don't do blood tests. That's all they have.
Insurance, will they do it again? Or is it just a county thing?
It's a county thing that they sit there, and the reason they do that is because we have a lot of people that take Whizinators in there, which is a device that they use that even makes the urine hot so that it mimics, you know. That's why they have it, because the amount of people that we have that try to pull a fast one on us, it's just. I'm putting him in jail. Yeah, because this is the second time. I don't know what else we can do. But, and, you know, I have a problem because he's taking pills, right? And pills,
Great facility out in Morton. He stayed there. He was at Woodland Springs first, and he kept from the detox and then they took him to Great Oaks. 40 days. Really well. You know how he is. Then there's the job opportunity. He had a whole job, but they were going to offer everybody the case. So, I'm looking for trying to assist him. Meantime, gotta be there. Fine, can't get a job because of this situation. So he has apologized for one of these pizza places. I just sent his insurance records so they can let him deliver. She's gonna work with him with the case, but he can't. Nobody.
Wait, is he gonna be driving?
Well, he has a car.
Does he have a license?
Yes.
Okay,
He has a license, he has auto insurance.
great.
He's good to go with that, but he can't drive if he's in here. I don't think jail is the thing for him.
And I don't want to. But
Treatment.
I need.
Symmetria right now. It's the outpatient because when he got Kratos, they put him in Symmetria. He thought, I can do it, Mama, I can do it. And it's much stronger. He needs treatment.
Did you go? Come on up. Did you take a test? Wonderful. That's all we ask. And stay out of trouble and don't take pills. Because the next time you do, you're going to be staying with me and I will put you in a rehab facility. What I will do is I will find you and hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days in jail. I will probate it for 2 years. As part of your probation, I will put you into an inpatient rehab facility. I don't want to do it. I don't like putting people in jail. But if that's the only way that we're going to get through to you to not take pills, then that's what we have to do. It's mind over matter. That's all it is. You have to have the mind to overcome it. And if you need to do that by finding another outlet, then you need to do it. Me, I have 4 kids. They drive me up the freaking wall every damn day. And it would be easy for me to beat them to hell in submission. But my aggression, I exercise. I run. I'm a running fool. I run 4.5 miles every single day to be help me deal with my aggression, my anxiety, and any issues that I have. You need to find an outlet and find something to do because when you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. I know you because I am you. I'm telling you this because I'm the same way. But I've found a creative way to release. And I've already told him that the problem with pills is you take too much, you put your lungs to sleep and you die. You don't know it, you don't want to do it, but you just become too accustomed to it. You need more to get high. You need more, you need more. God forbid you get one of these that has fentanyl and then you're really hosed. But we need to find something for you to do. What does he do now? Good. You look, as long as you don't pick up a new case, you're doing great. We all take it day by day, and that's all you need to do. You get up in the morning, you put your pants on one leg at a time, and then you handle your day. Unfortunately, yes, while this case is open, it's going to hinder your ability. So the idea is to try to get this done and past us as quick as possible. Where are we with the case? Do you have an offer now from Pavel?
When I started he said that they need to do a very strong legacy from the AFL. Complainants do not want to.
Pavel, hey, can you help me out?
Yes.
We're talking on Rooker. he wants to start working and start doing things, but it's unable to because of the case. So where are we with it?
So the discovery.
Discovery, and then can we get offers so we can?
It's DVD. I can bring them up for offers, Your Honor, but the case itself.
Is it who is it? Is it Haley? I thought, did she not just get transferred to animal cruelty?
No, she's handling both.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, she's handling DVD for like a couple courts and then also.
Oof, man, really down prosecutors.
Yeah, so
Sheesh.
it looks like everything's complete on the AFM, but with regards to the new violation, we're missing level 1, the grant and medical records, Judge. But the medical records of the
Okay. Will you please reach out to her and
yes, I'll bring it over.
we're gonna get the DAs here to see what we can do about trying to work the case out and try to get you something. In the interim, you got to get a job. You got to find something to do. No matter what it is, don't set your expectations up here yet. You'll get there. Start low and you work your way up. Did you graduate from high school? Great. What about college? Any thought to college? Say that again?
I am the college. He doesn't want to go, but I'm not making him. So he needs to trade.
No, make him.
He needs to trade. He needs to do something. Austin is our college bound, but they do trades, technical trades. I want him to do, so he has to be ready. But I think he.
If you start doing like welding, you can really make a lot of money doing welding. It's fun. And I'm telling you, welders make a ton of money too, if you start doing that. So hold on a second.
But I can't get this case.
Let's see if I can print this out.
Lily will be coming.
She's coming?
Okay. No, she's in here.
We already did her. I just want to make sure that we're good.
Hey, how do I print this? Do you know how to print this? Like just.
What are you looking for?
Pavel.
Yes, I think you said 514.
Hey, how do I hit print on the if I want to print a web page, do you know how to do that?
Right click on it.
Right click. Oh, okay, I'm going to print you out something here. All I did was just a quick Google search. When you go home, call these people and start saying, hey, how can I become an apprentice for a welding job? And you might have to cold call, but that's how you start. We all got to start somewhere. Try that, And what I'll do is I will also, between now and the next time, see that if there's like some kind of job corps, or because I know that with the AFL-CIO, which is the labor union, they have these organizations and job fairs and stuff, and I'll see, and I can try to call and see what we can do about finding you something. In the interim, start doing this for yourself. Try this. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Okay? Come on, give me this thing, please. Thank you. And then for now, just if you kindly wait, we're going to wait for the prosecutor to come up and we'll try to see about working. Of course.
Judge.
Tell me.
Yes, is the DA in there? Is Pavel in there?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, he's here.
Can you write up James Musgrove for time served?
Yes, ma'am.
And then, so Haley can also come up to talk to us. Hey, James.
Yes, Judge.
Haley's coming up now, so we also need her to talk about Stewart.
Okay. Wait, Lily, she's coming.
Okay.
Lily Rodriguez.
Oh, okay.
She's in DVD too. So.
Got it. They're coming up now, so we can talk about that case as well.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Chisholm, please, before one level?
I'm doing it right now on Musgrove. It's 11, okay.
Chisholm.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
You ready? Come up, Miss Mathis.
Yes. Interesting.
These are no good. I call 4 different providers. None of them have a valid prescription for Oxy for you.
From Dr. Salvatore as well, Judge?
Correct.
I called their office and they said she came to pick it up yesterday.
She may have come to pick something up, but they never prescribed. They pick, I don't know, maybe she's mistaken. But when I called, they had never given her a prescription for oxycodone. So I called these 3 places and a 4th, none have given you a prescription for oxycodone. So unless you have a better place that you got it from, tell me.
Well, Your Honor, and that was a question that I have for them as well. However, the monitoring system is statewide. It's owned by the state. It's not something that she can get on her own. So the fact that they had it, at least someone with a MD, I believe, prescribed it.
What?
I was saying that since it's the prescription monitoring system that provides these prescriptions, it's actually someone prescribes them. So I'm not sure if Dr. Salvatore herself prescribed it, but they were able to print it out and give her the fact that she had been prescribed these medications.
I called all the providers and no one had prescribed her oxycodone.
I'm trying to understand how it must have gotten to the state system in that regard. I'm not sure how that may have happened. She didn't print it out herself. She got it from an actual doctor's office.
I guess let's do this. I'm gonna put her in back. If you want to call back in the holdover so you guys can talk to figure something out, perhaps she can give you more information. But as it stands now, I don't know where she got it. Not only that, I will not allow you to pill mill Oxy to kill yourself. I'm now going to put your name on the Texas Prescribing Monitoring Program so that you can't pill mill oxycodone. I'm not going to let you kill yourself, mate. If you want to kill yourself elsewhere, great. But it's not going to happen with me. And you will now be monitored so you cannot just go from one doctor to the other to start getting Oxy everywhere. You understand? Because you're going to kill yourself with this. Or more importantly, take it, get in a car and kill someone else. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect the public by any means necessary. She'll go with you for now, and then I'll have Chisholm call you back there and we can figure out where we're going from here.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge. Okay, Judge, for the meantime, can I be excused to give her a call?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Thanks.
Judge. Page 6.
The mobile pharmacy that is listed, that's like right by where you.
Oh, on who, Henderson?
Yes.
Yeah, 2501 on both, if I remember correctly.
Are you sure?
We said 2501 on Henderson, right? Didn't we, on both?
Henderson, we agreed on 2,500 each. And that's, but 2,501.
2501.
Are you
Right.
gonna do the orders?
Yes. Yeah. I have a Boyd Builders sitting in the waiting room. Well, I just don't want to get porn bombed.
BOYD.
BOYD. You know how we get porn? Have you ever been porn bombed?
Yes.
Yeah.
The main trick is it has to be the most graphic and disgusting porn, or else it's not really effective, you know? So.
Boyd Builders. How can I help you?
I think the most notable one I remember reading, this was before I even got here because I didn't know that was a thing, was that there was a hacker in Florida who hacked like all the prominent Twitter accounts and put like a Bitcoin scam on them and made like $3 million in like 30 minutes, something crazy. And he got arrested in Florida for it. And while on his arraignment in the Fed courts, they porn bombed the Fed courts. Some like other like hackers, not him because he was obviously in court. But there's some other unrelated hackers who porn bombed it.
Boyd Builders, who are you? Really? Hey, how's it going? Yeah, I feel your pain. Are you doing animal cruelty as well?
Yes.
What should we do? Have you spoken to James regarding Miss Stewart? I have Lily Rodriguez here, James.
Oh, okay. I sent my email to Haley O'Brien.
No. Sorry? She's in ERD, so she's helping out.
Okay. Yeah, I think that any bond you said, Judge, she won't be able to make. So I don't know if Lily would be willing to give her time served, or we can roll it to early next week, whatever you want to do.
Tell me what you think.
I think we need to roll it because we need to speak to the chief of county.
Okay.
This is 3 cases open.
Is all the evidence in?
I believe so, Judge. I mean, the cases are very old. I'm pretty sure we had all the discovery from Casey Herring, the prior animal cruelty prosecutor.
Okay. So let's do that. You want to do it to Monday? Monday, James?
That will be fine with me, Judge.
Is that okay?
Do you want
Is
to
it too
bring
soon?
her out to set her bonds?
Yeah, I'm yanking, I'm gonna leave it as is, and I'm just gonna yank the PR bond, that's it.
Okay, so she'd have to make $2,500 bonds on each case?
Do you have a counter?
No, I'm just asking. Well, I guess my counter would be 1,000 each.
I mean, I'm okay with that.
Okay, I don't know if she'll be able to make it, but maybe she can, because then it would be 3,000 total.
Okay.
Do we need to bring her out?
No, I mean, I don't, unless you want to talk to her for something.
No, I can call her in the holdover again and explain it to her.
Okay. Yeah, if you could just, that way you could let her know about the bonds, huh?
Yes, Judge, 1,000 each, and it'll be rolled to Monday.
1,001?
No, 1,003. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Hello? Who's this? Oh, okay. I was inquiring whether
Louise had texted you, called you.
Thank you for telling me.
Oh. It's not called for the court one?
Great. Wonderful. Good. Okay. That would be wonderful. Yeah, you're the best. Thanks. Bye. Okay. Who do we have here?
It's Mr. Musgrove.
Got it.
11 days, Judge.
All right. All right. Good morning, Mr. Musgrove. Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and a $1,000 fine.
Bert, I think he's friends with,
We knew the wife or something, or.
You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement that they are offering you. Did you say 8? What did you say?
11 days, but 11.
11 days in jail with credit for the 11 days that you've already done, meaning that you're done today. However, it will go on your record. From now on, you'll be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail if you ever pick up another case. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Do you understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, sir? I will find you guilty. I will follow the agreement. Good luck to you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge. Sorry I was so late.
You're not late. We love you. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Boyd Builders. Are they looking now? Did you, no, it's okay. It's, did you take a look at Rooker?
Yes.
Tell me what you see.
One time ago, the PCI route is going to be a litigation packet because of the new law violation.
Okay,
And I'm seeing the bond managers, but PCR explains to me what's going on, but we're still going to need a mitigation packet.
okay,
And unfortunately, I don't know how CDD works with sending time to ERP because I feel like usually that's the best option due to the substance abuse. But I will get my chief on it. But we will have to put a bit.
yeah, okay.
That can be requested.
Hey. Hey, tell me. Okay, hold on. 120 oxy. Okay. Okay.
Basically, at least when I was there,
Okay. Okay. Mace, Suite 510. Yeah, I see that. Who, after that point, were there any other prescriptions given? Got it. Okay. No, that's great. You've been just such a wonderful help. I really thank you for everything because now that gives me the information I need. So, so compliance, and this is with the Itata, right? Okay. It's, and you said it's Greg, right? I was going to ask you something else, and it just came out of my mind because I was going to ask. Okay, yeah, I think that should be good. So can we now put the name in the database so that there's no more pill mill shopping? Mm. So what is PMP? Got it. I see. Wonderful. God, that's great. It's off the street. Yeah, okay. No, you've been great. Wonderful. Thanks, Greg. Take care. Yeah, it's off the street. She's getting it off the street. They have the prescription monitoring program so that anytime you get a controlled substance, it's entered into an actual database so they can see it. And so if someone is script hopping, they can see every time. And so if they see too many scripts from different doctors, it stops and it puts the people on notice. And then, because then the doctors will get in trouble, then doctors get charged, for running a pill mill. So the last time she was in January of 23 for Oxy. So, okay. Yes, that's a great idea. Good. Okay. Come up, guys. Mom, you can come up.
And through DVD, it's a monitor.
That's okay. Good. I think that's the way to go. Yeah. So there's good news for you, right? We had the district attorney come up earlier, said that you guys can apply for the pretrial intervention program. Not many people can do it. It's a program that if you are granted entry, not many people are given, and you complete it successfully, both of your cases will get dismissed. But it's hard. It's not easy. The first thing you need to do is to apply. And I will tell you now, the more heart you put into your application, the better result you will get. If you give them something on a bar napkin, don't expect a good result, right? You need to do what's called a mitigation packet, which was something above and beyond because number one, of your drug issues. Number two, you picked up a case while you're on bond for another case. So you need to put together an application of everything that's gone on in your life, and it needs to be really good. You give it to Sonia. Sonia will help you prepare it, and then you give it to district attorneys. And if they deem it good enough, they'll grant you entry into a program, which is probably a year to 2 years. You'll have to do an anger management program. You'll also have to do drug classes. But if you complete it successfully, you don't end up with a conviction. And that's great because these two type of cases will kill your career even before it starts, as you now see. You can't even get a job and you're only charged. What do you think will happen if you get a conviction? Like you're really hosed, right? This is the way to go. This is the way to do it. No more dope, because I'm telling you, it will absolutely derail your career before it even started. So we'll give you, I mean, it's not old, right, Sonia? So we will give you a normal reset, which is around a month for you guys to get this packet together. I still want you to start doing AA and NA classes, get me proof, and I still want you to do drug testing.
Actually, I a couple of NA meetings this week.
Wonderful, because I was going to ask you about that.
Thursday, yes, sir. And he also started the IOP program this semester. So I got all of that. And he had orientation.
Great. It's really great. You're really on your way to getting these things resolved in a good way. And I don't see it. I'm telling you, we see the worst of the worst here. There's only two ways you can go. You can go up or you can go way down. And luckily you have a mom who cares that's here with you. So you're on the right track. Just keep it on the up and up and things will go well for you. Okay.
Regarding this test, he is going stop smoking, and those levels should start to come down. But
When is the last time you smoked weed? Don't lie to me, because I'm telling you, I'm going to test you in 30 days. If I test you you test positive for dope, I will put you in jail. When is the last time you smoked? I want to know marijuana. When is the last time you smoked? Was it yesterday? Was it 2 weeks? Was it a week?
Whenever.
Be honest.
You got on the 12th, I think.
you can help, I think last
So he got out last week.
Yeah, last Friday was when he was. I know. He was released on the 13th, so Saturday. Just past Saturday. Oh, yeah.
So he should be, so what's 30 days from that day? That would be,
It would be May 13th.
yeah. You will test again on May, let's do the 15th, just in case, to give you an extra couple days. There better not be a positive for weed. You understand? Don't smoke weed, because it's going to kill you. All right? Okay, guys. Thanks. All right. Thanks.
Judge 560.
Oh, well, whatever. The next couple days after.
Yeah, so she was thinking of, or DVD or any prosecutors.
If they do, then I'm gonna keep taking them.
But she was just gonna give her, start with that was the
Oh, let me do those bail orders now before I forget. Is it hot in here?
Judge, am I required, is it part of my job to respond to it?
To what?
Yeah, I mean, the documentation.
Hey, it's hot in here, is it not? They made me turn it down, man.
You're doing a lot. It's probably. Stand right there. You'll get there. You're like going up and down. You want to go over the document?
Yeah, let me just, I want to do the bail orders on Stewart and then we took someone else in too, didn't we? Oh, Henderson, yeah. Let me just get those done real quick and then we'll go through the document. Yeah.
5 minutes.
That's really how we do it, like. We need to check it.
No, it's not.
Yeah, no, those are cases that never drawn because. It's so funny actually.
That's funny.
Mark's over there, but he was putting that. Because he, after he jumped in, he shut it off. So we have that. And we're like, oh, that's a damn. And it was missing. But it was like the felony was the choking and the shooting the felony. But we're like, this missing code. Yeah, and he's not but yeah, we've had cases where like notable bad ones in misdemeanor I haven't seen, but notable bad ones fall in felonies, like that were not relevant to the felonies. Saw a guy like go off from the third floor because he was business wife. And the Chihuahua says like very fun. Yeah. He was crazy. He took it. Like guilty. He was trying to defend one prior. All his cars have been sinking players. So yeah, and so in this in this situation, she makes the report that he also threw the dog. He found the dog. The dog was injured. So. Yeah, that happens. I see more horses than dogs, but I see a lot of dogs too. Yeah. Yeah, obviously, yeah. I mean, now you have those. Hold on. Yeah. You just build response.
Oh.
There we go. Good job. Yeah, you're good. I'm all over too. Good work.
Okay. Minimize the strings. On this side. And then look for DCJC. Yeah, thank you. Set it up. Microphone.
Okay. Victoria, you ready to go through the list?
Yes.
Okay.
Page 2.
Castillo y Blanco. Did the officer show up to interview the murder suspect?
Judge, they called me, the sergeants called me, and they wanted more privacy, so I sent them down and interviewed them in the jail. Because of course we had one in custody, they didn't really want that interview to be listening on that interview. So,
Well, he's not gonna have a lawyer there though. So I don't know how they're gonna, I guess they're gonna see if he'll waive. You know, they'll have to see.
if you talk to him, I mean, but they told me that, sergeant told me to send them down and send them back to the jail when they want to give them more privacy.
I mean, I don't blame him. Then you get all the jailhouse lawyers back, you know?
Oh, yeah, I mean, listening to jail calls, it's so fun.
Yeah. I
Someone's
know.
all told me it's 2 to 10, I don't even know why they offered me 20.
Castillo Blanco was dismissed.
Judge, have a great weekend.
Thanks, Sean D. See you Monday. Okay, Cruz Lopez.
Here.
2501.
Page 3, L, E-L-L.
2501.
And we also have page 4, Frank.
And then missing a reason on, and then the image.
2501. We're never gonna see him.
Page 5, Freeman. He revoked his bond on the other case, and today was set for arraignment for his new case.
Okay, 5003.
You do appeal?
Yeah, I have to right now.
I don't think he knows that. I don't have 6 years because they said he CC'd me. Yeah. Christina is there, which makes no sense because she actually left before Selena. So, like, yeah.
April Bell, can you take a look at Williams, Mariah? With
Sure.
no PC on the 14th.
Okay, who's after Freeman?
Page 7, Johnson. Except for Raymond Bell's up here.
Which Williams? Sorry.
Williams,
Hey, Joe.
Mariah.
In 501.
But they made contact with it this morning, so I don't have any date for you, but they're looking at offer before they figure out whether they're gonna be entitled to dismiss it.
I'll put it on for May 8th.
Okay.
Thank you.
5002 on Lopez Santos. Page 9, yeah. Is that, were you going there next?
Yes. You're done with that one?
No, I'm working on the bail order, almost.
All right.
Okay, who's next?
The next one is page 10, Mathis.
I'm gonna, when we're done here, I'll
Okay,
reach out.
the next one is page 11, Perez. He was on docket yesterday, counsel.
Why do I babysit? Huh? Don't we have enough stuff to do?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hi, Mr. Gutman. This is Judge Fleischer in Court 5. We have a Joseph Perez on the docket today. He was actually on the docket yesterday. No one appeared. He was on the docket today. No one appeared. I am now putting him again on the docket the last time for Monday. If no one appears or shows, I will revoke the bond. If you can please get a hold of us, that would be great. Thank you so much. Super bond forfeiture.
Yeah. Okay, the next one, Judge, is page 13. Sepulveda.
Sepulveda. $25.01.
Page 15, Thomas was set to get drug tested. Do you know what happened? Thomas?
I know I sent someone.
No?
Did we send Thomas?
No, we didn't. No, we didn't send them to get drug tests. We just did bond conditions. Yeah.
I don't remember what we did with Thomas.
You just give them drug and alcohol
Trial
tests.
bond conditions, no driving affidavit.
Yeah.
and Drug test today.
And I don't remember. Did we send him THA, did we?
You said you were gonna test him in 30 days because he had a marijuana possession. That's what his case was for.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So, when I gave you the actual date, let me write that down before I get, okay.
Okay,
So hold on, to test,
that part I wrote John, I thought it was drug test today and then again in Thursday.
Hey,
He's trying to keep me caught up.
Yeah, because you're leaving.
Chisholm,
You're leaving too?
tell me.
Where are you going, John? Another department?
Yeah, well, no, I'm switching positions. Like, I'm gonna be doing the BVRs now. And people that do the BVRs, they make more money.
Don't be messing up on this.
Hmm?
Don't mess up on ours.
Yes, in 2023. Right. That was a year and 3 months.
600, let's say this is it's like right before J. Yeah. It's like right before JPC. Yeah, that's what he has now though, so I mean.
Congratulations, reluctant. Congratulations.
Cases of assault, faxing, runs. We have 900 complaints constantly showing up at our office in person. And calling, actually, right now, I have like 100 and something missed calls. And if you don't answer, then.
I'm gonna put you on speaker. Okay, hold on a second.
Okay.
So Pavel, let me tell you.
3 to 4 days for urine test. There's saliva, 1 to 4 days. Hair follicles, 90 days. So if she's gonna be taking random UAs, her next one, I believe by next week, Thursday, she shouldn't be showing up for Oxy. So you can order her to not take Oxy anymore. If she's in pain, she can stick to ibuprofen or Advil for the time being. Since she doesn't have a valid, a recent prescription.
So here's the thing, Pavel.
Yes, Judge.
So I've got Chisholm on the phone now, and what she's saying is that she had a prescription from January of 23, and Miss Mathis is trying to say that she had the pills since that time and takes it as needed. And I'm saying,
Yeah, I mean, I don't.
if someone has a prescription for Oxy, they don't hold it for a year and 3 months. They take it because it's Oxy, you know? People who take Oxy don't have the control to hold that many for that long.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see what you would hold Oxy for. I mean, with this, I've had it for surgery. That's all I can think of.
And Oxy is just too strong, it's too potent, and it's way too addictive for someone to just hold it. I don't believe that for a second.
And to be honest, Judge, I it's a fair belief. I do think that if she is in some sort of pain, I think that since she's have a current prescription, you can order her not to take Oxy. Of course, not to take any.
I already have ordered her not to take it.
No, any unprescribed. be any illegal drugs. I don't believe your order included the prescribed drugs. However, in this case, you've already put her on the TMP list. I called Mr. Gregg from that list, and they said yes. They mentioned your name to me, and they said that you've put her on that list. So even if she does go to another doctor, then they would be wary of putting her on another prescription because of your concern. So if she's in pain, they're probably going to give her, worst case scenario, a high dosage of ibuprofen. That way, if she pops up for opiates again, maybe next Thursday, because opiates are apparently, according to Healthlight, it only stays in your system in urine for only 3 to 4 days. So she should be clear of opiates by next week, Thursday. That way, if she does show up for opiates, then at that point in time, she can be locked up because you ordered her not to take it. She doesn't have a new prescription, which is fair.
What do you think, Pavel?
What's the request?
Test her on, let her out, test her on Thursday, and order her not to take Oxy at all. That's assuming that she even held the 100 pills until now.
Absolutely.
From January 23. I don't believe that for a second.
And it's partially because, like you said, Judge, she can't, even if she did hold it, I don't think law allows you to have a prescription over 90 days. If I'm not mistaken, if it's a 90-day-old prescription, then you should not be taking those drugs because, of course, those drugs expire.
That's true. That part's true, but I don't think there's like a regulation on that. But the is this her first fail? Her first failed exam?
How many times has she failed, Ms. Mathis?
We just started her. She has
She's, how many?
two prior BBRs, if that's what you're talking about.
This is her third bond violation, right? But what were the other bond violations for?
She didn't get an interlock violation, and she had a curfew violation.
She first one, she didn't get the interlock. The second one, she had a curfew violation, and now she's got this one.
So
You might bring in Ms. Mathis out.
we have addressed those bond violations. I guess I don't know how potent this test is, but on the DWI, the allegation is hydros. So hydros, oxys, they have the same effects. It seems
They
like
don't have the same effect. No. Oxy is so much more powerful. It's just crazy.
They're just as addictive, is what I mean. Like how you can get addicted to hydros.
It's no. Hydro is addictive. Oxy, it's 15,000 times it's, I'm telling you, it's, once you start, it's.
We could, I think we could approach that and give her another chance, but with regards to the drugs, we've given her chances on the other violations.
I don't think you can stop, and I'm ready to put you in a rehab program right now because I think that you are pulling the wool over my eyes. You are forum shopping for pills. I have now put you on the list, and you have 2 times gotten a prescription. I talked to the compliance officer with one of the doctors. He told me you have a prescription for 120 oxy from 12/6/22, and then you had another prescription from January 23 for another 100 pills of oxy. I do not believe that you kept 100 pills for the oxy to be able to take it now to where you had a positive result. I think that you're getting it off the street. And I want to put you in a rehab program now. I'm going to have you every Monday and Thursday come here and test. And the next time you test positive, I'm going to hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days in jail, probate it for 2 years, and put you in a rehab program. Do you understand? You are not to take any drugs, any hydrocodone, any opiates. I don't care if you have a prescription. I'm ordering you not to take it, even with a valid prescription. If you have pain, then you must find another way, either ibuprofen, Aleve, Tylenol, Excedrin, another way. but no more controlled substances, whether prescribed or not. And the next time you have been advised what's going to happen. You will sign an affidavit with me right now, promising me that you're not going to take any prescribed or controlled medications. Do you understand? You are now on your third bond violation as it stands now. The next one, I'm going to light you up. Do you understand, Ms. Mathis? I'm up to here. No driving, no taking any controlled substances, whether prescribed or not, no alcohol, no more bond violations. You've now been apprised. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt because you had the prior script from 2023. In my heart, I know that you don't have those pills. And this is the only other time you will ever get another benefit of the doubt from me. You need to do whatever you can to address the demons in your life, because if you don't, I'm going to do it for you the next time. You must also start doing 3 NAs per week, and I want proof that you're in attendance doing the NA program. Do you understand? If you don't have proof the next time you come here that you've done NA classes, Narcotics Anonymous, you're going to stay with me. Can you please swear to this? Okay. Please, Ms. Mathis. All right, Ms. Chisholm, that's it. This is the last ditch effort, huh?
Absolutely.
I won't entertain anything else. That's it. Okay?
Yes, Judge, understood. Yes,
All right.
sir.
All right, Chisholm, you're the best.
Thank you, my big excuse.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Have a great
Judge.
weekend.
Bye-bye. You too. Bye-bye.